guys, I hope you're doing great. So as you know, I've been doing so many videos recently, but today I'm going to take you to another beautiful site, another neighborhood of Bujumbura. So guys, this is like cities, because I've told you that I'm going to show you different neighborhoods of Bujumbura. So today I'm gonna take you somewhere. We're going to see the real life, the vibe, the movement, and everything makes this culture so unique. And we're going to see how the real life is and everything about this culture. So guys, keep it up with me. I'll see you. Guys, I'm walking around and I haven't arrived it yet, but I'm just walking around. So we're going towards that neighborhood of Bujumbura, and it's called Kamenge. So for those of you who don't know, it's almost in the suburb of Bujumbura. So guys, as you can see, the cars and the people are moving to their jobs because we are still 8 a.m. in the morning. So guys, let's see what happens. Let's keep moving forward. I will show you everything, every detail you need to know. Guys, this is how it looks like. We have just arrived there. We're inside there. So guys, as you can see, it's a little bit chaotic. There's lots of movements around here. So guys, this is how it looks like. I'm not gonna tell you much, but with your eyes, you can see everything. With your eyes, you can see, you can hear the story, you can see the story. So that's how it looks like, guys. And this is the real life. This is what I was waiting to show you, guys. This is how it looks like. So let's move forward. And you can hear me, guys, because it's a little bit noisy here. So let's move forward. Let me know in the comments, how do you see this neighborhood? How do you see this vibe? How do you see this movement? Let me know in the comments, guys, because I don't know how to define this for sure. And I think this has a unique movement, a unique vibe from different neighborhoods and the cultures of Bujumbura. And I think this is quite different. So how do you see this? Let me know in the comments. What are your thoughts about this? Guys, right now I'm inside the neighborhoods. As you can see, people are doing their businesses, and we have just left the road, and I'm inside the neighborhoods. When you take a look around here, as you can see, people are running their small businesses. You see motorbikes, you see bicycles, people selling airtimes, that's how it is, guys. People eating. There's some also restaurants and shops around here, and that's how the real life here looks like. So I wanted to show you this, guys. So if you're watching from a different country, another country, let me know in the comments. And don't forget, guys, to hit the button. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So guys, we want to hit 1K subscribers. So because of you, we can do it. Guys, let me share something quick. So I've never been to this neighborhood unless I'm doing content. And for sure, guys, that's why I thought of creating a travel channel, so I can explore different places. So imagine living in the same city and you never get the opportunity to move around, see a different culture, see how it looks like. So but when you're doing content and you say whatever it is, I must move around and see other neighborhoods. So guys, it all begins here. So I hope one day, hopefully, I can get to visit many places as much as possible, not only here in Burundi or Bujumbura, but even other countries, because I want to expand. I want to explore different places, even other countries, and that's what I hope so. So I keep dreaming. So guys, as you know, even my camera is not good. I'm using my phone. So guys, please make sure you support me. Make sure you give me that support, that love, because I wanna grow. I have big dreams, and I wanna make sure those dreams become reality. I wanna make sure that I get to the point where I feel like when I look back and I say, oh, I made it. So that was so amazing. That was so challenging, but I made it through it. So that's what I hope so. That's what I dream of. And guys, make sure you do it. Make sure you support me. And we're gonna continue doing something great together. And I'm gonna show you so many different places, the daily life, the vibe, the movement, and everything you need to know about this neighborhood, especially in these countries. And we're gonna go ahead, guys. Guys, so this is the market, guys, and it's noisy around here, guys, as you can see. So this is how it looks like at the market. So this is the market, guys, and as you can see, the movement is unmatched. The movement is undescribable. You cannot describe this movement. It's so chaotic, people moving, cars, bicycles, and businesses open and everything, guys. So it's indescribable, guys. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video so far. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to support me, and so that's it, guys. I'm gonna end my video for today, but before I end my video, let me show you something around here. As you see, this is the playground, and this guys is called it Centre Jeune Kamenge. So this is the playground for young people. This is where young people gather for some events, you know. That's why it's for young people. It's the center of young people when translated to English, because this is in French. I was saying that this is in French. So this is the center for young people. This is where young people gather. And over there are some buildings, and this is the playground for football, and there are some basketball courts over there. For those who wanna play basketball, and for those who wanna play football, they have their own space. And this is how it looks like. So guys, I want to end up my video right here, and guys, make sure you support, make sure you subscribe, and when I hit 1K subscribers, guys, please support me. You know, guys, as content creators, you understand you need support and you need to move forward, and if people don't support you, you cannot move forward, you cannot make it. So this is the recap of the video, I can say. This is the recap. I hope you have enjoyed the video so far, and I've shown you everything you need to know, even though I didn't cover everything totally, but I believe that I did my best. I did everything to show around. I hope I'm gonna see you in the next video. We're gonna share something special.